Montgomery High School, Santa Rosa, California. Montgomery High School is a public high school located in Santa Rosa, California. It is part of the Santa Rosa High School District, which is itself part of Santa Rosa City Schools. Montgomery High School was named after Bill Montgomery. Montgomery is considered the first person from the city of Santa Rosa to have died in World War II. William Billy Montgomery was killed at Pearl Harbor on December 7, 1941, while serving aboard the battleship USS California. Montgomery participates in the International Baccalaureate Organization as an IB World School, providing the IB Diploma Programme, as well as the full complement of classes available to juniors and seniors. Montgomery High School has been an IB World School since July 1995. Awards and recognition. During the 1990-1991 school year, Montgomery High School was recognized with the Blue Ribbon School Award of Excellence by the United States Department of Education, the highest award an American school can receive. Montgomery was recognized as a California Distinguished School by the California Department of Education in 1990. Demographics: 2011-2012, 1742 students. Notable alumni: Melba Patalobeals, 1941, member of the Little Rock Nine, a group of African-American students who were the first to integrate Little Rock Central High School, attended Montgomery for her senior year. Nancy Ling Perry, 1947-1974, member of the Symbionese Liberation Army. Mel Gray, 1948, wide receiver for the St. Louis Cardinals from 1971-1982. Mark Ilsley, 1958, writer and director of Happy, Texas. Scott Weir, 1983, former safety on the football team of the University of Southern California and the practice squad of the Indianapolis Colts. Koa-Misai, 1987, outside linebacker for the Miami Dolphins. Dan Hicks, 1940, 2016 singer in Dan Hicks and His Hot Licks and the Charlatans. Sulo Williams, 1973, actor, writer, and producer of the movie Convincing Clooney. Brandon Hyde, 1973, manager of the Baltimore Orioles. 2019. Sarah Hall Bay, 1983, professional American middle distance runner. Kim Kan Lai, 1986, Olympic middle and long distance runner.